When she was first born, no, I weren't worried at all about her. No, we just all thought she was a normal, perfect baby.
The computers?
Yes.
And drawing?
Well, the first thing they tested her for was shaken baby syndrome. But that was ruled out within about half an hour. Then they tested her for meningitis. This was all on the same day. She didn't have that. And then they tested her for a condition called, I think I got it right, hyperexplexia, which I think is a bone disease or something. But then she was ruled out then. And then within about 6 hours of being up there, they sent us home and said they can't find anything wrong with her. But they knew there was something wrong with her.
Hi. Hi.
Hard?
No, hi.
High?
Yes,
Not too high.
I know.
Not too high.
I rang the doctors and said, the doctors in Hayward's Heath Hospital, I think it was, and said, I'm sick of this. There's something wrong with my baby. I'm getting accused of not looking after her. I want to know what's wrong with her. And Hayward's Heath Hospital were pretty good. They rang Great Ormond Street and referred us up to there just for her first birthday. We got there, and then within, I think it was a couple of hours of being there, Professor Harper at Great Ormond Street come in, looked at Ashanti, and his words were, I think I know what she's got, but I'm just going to go away. I'll be back in a couple of hours. I just need to double check. He came back and said, yeah, I know what she has got, but we obviously, to be 100% sure, we have to put her through some tests.
It's the park, Mummy.
Yes, baby, go on then.
Can I watch something now? A horse rider.
My fear is burying my baby. That's my biggest fear. And my biggest hope is paying for a wedding.